Hello learners, in this lecture we will see how the reference level is given in a practical site drawings and how we need to understand that. So if you refer any of the construction project or any of the construction site drawing, these are the kind of level that will be given. If you understand it here, I added only few things here. Forget about this thing. Okay, this is of not no much importance to us. Just concentrate on this. So what is written here? It is REF stand for reference level. That is GL is my ground level. So my ground level is exactly 99.80. These things the client will give you. He will be calling a surveyor, and based on that he is going to fix up this level. The ground level, the natural ground level, what you have in your area. Okay, let us say this is a site what you have. So here the natural ground level will be there. So that natural ground level is 98.80 meter. Okay, but there's one more thing which is called as GFL. So GFL stand for ground finish level, or let me write it here. Yeah, GFL stand for ground finish level. Sometimes they call it as FFL level, that is floor finish level. It's one and the same. Ground finish level or floor finish level, both are one and the same. Okay, so that is GFL level. So what is this GFL level? From your ground level, from the ground level, if you're adding another 450 mm, that is 0.45 meter, then that will be my top of my flooring. Whatever flooring, see, let us say you have a building, you have ground floor, first floor and all, right? In the first floor, I mean in the ground floor, whatever floor finish level you have, no, that is after the application of the tiles and all, what level you are going to get, that level from the ground level, it will be 100.25, or let us say from the ground level it is 450 mm above, because your ground level is 00. It's written here, your ground level is 00. From that level, your floor finish level, that is the top of your tiles and all, should be 450 mm. So whenever we do any construction activity, we'll take this as my reference level. With reference to my floor finish level, I'll do all my excavation activities, my PCC activity, the foundation marking and all. Anyhow, I'll be explaining all those things, how it has to be done. So my now your main intention should be to concentrate on this particular number, that is 100.25. Okay, so this thing why I've added is, when you take a complete drawing, on the drawing on the right side, they are going to mention it in this way. You can see it here. Reference level is given, that is GL level, and and your GFL level, that is ground finish level, is given as 100.25. So these are the things what they usually, these are standard format what we follow in the company, right? I hope this basic understanding is clear. Okay, I'll be showing you what is this floor finish level and ground level as well. Yeah, so if you see this now, no, yeah, see, now if you see this, let us say, okay, the top what you can see, no, here, this top what you can see, no, this is my FFL level. This is my FFL level. Okay, this is my FF level, and this has to be how much? 100.25. Okay, this has to be 100.25. And this level what you can see, this is my natural ground level, the one which you can see outside, no, this is my natural ground level, that is written as GL, ground level. Yeah, from the ground level to the top of this, it has to be 450 mm. This has to be 450 mm. Now this, how much it has to be, all that depends on the client and the type of the project that you have. And also it also depends on the road what you have. See, the road level is here, so you cannot afford to construct a building below this. Above this only you have to construct, because during the rainy time what will happen, the water will be stored here, right? All the water from the road, the water is going to flow in this direction. So if your floor finish level is below this, then obviously the water will enter into your building. So that is why always we try to keep the floor finish level above the road level, right? Yeah, so I'll show you one more image as well. I hope this is understood, but anyway, for the better clarity, we can try to do that. Again, this is my, say, this is my floor finish level. Let us say this is my floor finish level. Okay, and that GL level, it is, let us say this is a ground level. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, this is a road level. So whenever you transfer the level and all, this road also will be having a certain level that you get from the road department and all, like I mentioned in one of my lecture, how you have to transfer that permanent benchmark and all. One you get in the railway station, second you get it from the uh, inspection bungalows, or also if you go to the road department and all, the road will be having a certain level. Based on that, I'll, let me say, from this road level, I'll construct my FFL level 1 meter above that or 2 meter above that. In that way we try to decide it, right? Yeah, so this is the basic understanding of that. So now we'll try to understand this in a more better way. Yeah, so now understand, this is a benchmark what I've created, that is a temporary benchmark. Okay, you know, right, how it has been done. And Now I'll make one person, because I want to take a level now, so I'll make one person to go and stand here and keep the leveling stuff over this. Exactly over this is going to keep the leveling stuff. So once he keeps the leveling stuff, next what I'm going to do, with the help of auto level, I'll try to take the reading of this. So I'll show you how it has been taken. So I'll keep my auto level here, and from here I'm going to project it. Okay, and once that is done, from here whatever level I get here, no, that will be my staff reading. Let us say the staff reading is something 2.2 meter. Don't look at all these things. I've taken some random number here. Okay, what you need to do, this is my temporary benchmark what I've created in my site, and over that I'll tell this person to keep the leveling stuff, and I'll keep my auto level somewhere. At anywhere you can keep your auto level. Okay, so you always have to make sure that auto level what you're keeping, no, see, let us say this is a footing I want where the level has to be given. So from this footing, this auto level should be easily seen, and also from this footing, and also from this auto level, this temporary benchmark should be easily seen. So that particular distance, that particular area that we need to consider always, so that at one, from this my footing is also visible, and from here the temporary benchmark is also visible. That is why I told you, in a big construction project we try to create 4 or 5 different temporary benchmark, so that it will be easy for the surveyor here to see both the footing marking, footing level, and also the temporary benchmark level. Yeah. So let us say he got a reading of 2.2 meter. So once he got that reading, the next is we need to find the height of the instrument. We have to find what is the height of this instrument. Always remember the formula to find the height of instrument. My formula will be reduced level plus the staff reading. And what is this reduced level? It is 98.25. This level I'll tell you from where it has come. Staff reading you can observe from here, it is 2.2 meter. Now try to add it, 98.25 plus 2.2, it will give me 100.45 meter. So this 100.45 meter is the height of this. It's a reduced level. It's height of HI stand for height of the instrument. Now coming to this 98.25 meter, from where we already created the benchmark in the site. That means I'll close it here. I'll go back. If you remember, you can see this is 98.25 meter. Whatever I've created on this particular bund, no, that is 98.5 meter. And I held my leveling stuff over this particular bund. That is why I got the staff reading as 2.2 meter, and the height of this bund what I've created, this only up the top of this bund is 98.25 meter. From where we get this 98.25 meter, that either you can take from the road level, or even you can bring it from the nearby railway station where the permanent benchmark is written, right? I hope this basic understanding is clear. Yeah, so up to here the points are clear, there shouldn't be any doubts left. Yeah, this is clear. So in the next lecture, I'll be explaining how to take the PCC level. Now once this is done, we have to understand how the PCC level has to be given. Then we'll try to see how the foundation top level has to be given, and we'll see how the excavation level is also to be given, right? So whatever explanation I've done is very simple. What you need to do, whatever things I've explained you so far, they're just a theory and how the surveyor has to do. But as a site engineer, for you it's very simple. Go to this temporary benchmark what they have set up, and on the temporary benchmark they are going to write the RL of this. Let us say the RL written is 98.25. Just you have to keep the leveling stuff over that, project your auto level from here, look at the staff reading here, it is 2.2 meter. Immediately you have to add it, that is 2.2 plus 98.25. This is going to give you 100.45 meter, and this is my height of the instrument. This will remain constant throughout your project. You go any project, do any project, this procedure is common everywhere. It's a very simple procedure. Again I'll repeat, 98.25 from where you are going to get, that will be written on the bund what they have created. I'll show you one practical image as well. See, it's written here, temporary benchmark is 100 point. Let us say if you're taking a yeah, let me do it in this way. Let us say you have kept a staff over this, okay, leveling staff, and you have got a reading, let us say something 3.2 meter. Then what will be the height of your instrument? The height of the instrument, HI, height of the instrument will be, what is my temporary benchmark? 100. Yeah, 100. Then next what I need to do, you need to add the staff reading. The staff reading is 3.2. 3.2. What will be height of your instrument? 103.2 meter. That's it. This is the procedure what we need to follow. I hope this basic understanding is clear. In the next lecture, we'll try to see how the excavation level has to be taken. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.